Welcome, and thanks again for participating in the evaluation of SBO proposals for FWO. In this video, we'll familiarize you with the SBO evaluation procedure. Feel free to contact FWO for any additional questions, or alternatively, the European Science Foundation if you have been contacted by ESF to participate as an external referee. In this clip, we will provide an overview of the various steps and roles in the evaluation of SBO proposals submitted to FWO. Whether you are appointed as an external peer reviewer, as a member of one of the thematic expert panels, or as a member of one of the SBO steering committees, all phases in the evaluation share a common scoring system that will be explained in another clip, available on the FWO SBO webpage. Each SBO application follows a structured evaluation process. After submission, an application first undergoes external peer review by on-the-topic experts. Applicants then have the opportunity to respond to their comments through a rebuttal. Next, the proposal is evaluated by the thematic expert panel selected by the applicant at the time of submission. Depending on its finality, each proposal is ranked by either the Economic Steering Committee, the Societal Steering Committee, or by the Dedicated Steering Committee for proposals aimed at the security and defense industry. Finally, the FWO Board of Trustees makes the funding decision based on these rankings. Each SBO proposal is assessed by 4 to 5 external peer reviewers. 3 of these are academic experts, while 1 or 2 are selected for their proximity to the economic or societal field of application. This mix ensures a balanced evaluation of both scientific quality and utilization potential. The reviewers provide written feedback, which is then sent to the applicants. Applicants can respond through a rebuttal, but only to correct factual errors or clarify misunderstandings. The rebuttal is not intended to introduce new elements that were not part of the original proposal. Following external peer review, SBO proposals are assessed by thematic expert panels. SBO thematic expert panels are broad, topic-specific panels that evaluate both economic and societal projects. Panel members perform a meta-review by integrating information from the proposal, the external peer reviews, and the applicant's rebuttal. They also rely on their own expertise and knowledge of the field. For each evaluation criterion, the panel assigns a consensus score aligned with the SBO score grid. This ensures a consistent and balanced assessment across all proposals. After the panel meeting, for each proposal, one of the panel members writes a feedback report based on the panel's conclusions. Project proposals in the thematic expert panels come from a wide variety of scientific topics. Therefore, the evaluation is performed by a strongly interdisciplinary panel, bringing together experts with an academic, a societal, as well as an industrial appointment or background, and a broad view on science or potential economic or societal applications. In most panels, advisors from Flanders Innovation and Entrepreneurship take part as well and/or provide their written input. This agency is the state aid provider for the Flemish industry, and its advisors are therefore particularly well placed to assist in the assessment of the application potential and the proposed utilization plan of economically oriented project proposals and their embedding in Flanders in particular. In the panel stage, SBO peer review is a group process with inputs coming from multiple professionals having their own expertise and point of view. After evaluation by the thematic expert panels, each SBO proposal is assessed by one of the 3 SBO steering committees, one for economic finality, one for societal finality, and one dedicated to proposals aimed for the security and defense industry. These committees ensure consistency across panel scorings and verify that the ranking reflects the relative quality of all proposals within the same finality. They also make funding decisions for proposals with equal scores that fall near the budgetary cutoff and consider issues brought up by the thematic expert panels. This step ensures a coherent and balanced ranking before the final decision is made. Based on the rankings provided by the steering committees, the FWO Board of Trustees makes the final funding decisions. This marks the conclusion of the SBO evaluation procedure. Afterwards, each applicant receives detailed feedback, including the final score. This feedback is intended to provide transparency and support applicants in improving future proposals. Thank you once again for joining the evaluation of SBO proposals. Please contact us if you have any further questions or need assistance. If you are an external referee invited by the European Science Foundation, please contact ESF directly using the email address shown on this slide.